Hello guys, and today we're going to water our plants a little bit. We don't have much water this year, but the plants need the water so they can grow well. So that's why I water it. At least we're going to water it twice weeks for a moment that we don't have rain that is come. And hopefully we successfully made our plants this year. And don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So we'll see you again next time, guys. Bye bye.